Hello guys, I would like to unbox my new laptop. Let's get it. We go here. This is the phone. This is the pen.
Apa charger? Oh anu konverter.
Nice converter. This is good.
Enak dapat langsung.
Converter. This is
Adaptornya mana?
uh,
Oh,
this is adapter. Okay, this is the box. Yoga. What is this? Browser, safety and warranty guide. Then magnetic.
keren nih. Adaptornya kekinian. Kalau laptop jadul kan gede-gede, panjang kayak punya ini.
Yes, the adapter is small. My friend said. Mungkin ya.
Kelihatan laptop zaman sekarang.
Bismillah. Masya Allah. This is my old laptop.
Very thick laptop.
Very thick. Should we go?
Bukan. Should compare.
Should we compare? My old laptop, 2 GB RAM, about 300 GB hard disk, with this one, Yoga Slim. Masya Allah. Okay, my
So this is 14 inch of
13.
13.
This
So
is
that's
13.
why yes, not too big screen.
So how we start it? With this.
Kok ditahan? Nggak perlu harusnya.
Nggak perlu ya? Laptop.
Laptop sekarang.
Nice. This is one good.
Bener mau nggak warnanya? Beneran nggak ada baterai berarti.
Baterai lu ya?
Apa?
Baterai nggak kecas tadi.
Biasanya HP aja langsung nyala kok. This is the truth.
This is how it looks. USB-C, USB-C Thunderbolt. This is one headset. This is USB.
USB Type A.
USB Type.
Type A yang lama. Pennya itu yang keren kita coba. You should try the touch screen. Is it worth it enough for writing clearly?
Okay. This is the converter to plug
Yes. The HDMI,
HDMI and
the VGA cable. VGA.
VGA.
Yes.
VGA cable. Okay. Sometimes.
If you buy MacBook, you should buy separately. But here, it is included in the.
Okay, should we start? English or Arabic? Ana mungkin kalam Arabic. Lakin urid English.
Oh, kok ada gitu?
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. sign in here, can touch a Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Okay.
Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the
This
little
is the
microphone
Cortana,
icon
I
towards
mean the
bottom
voice
of your
assistant
screen.
from Windows.
If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Okay.
Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
No,
No.
Saudi Arabia.
Which region do you want to use?
Indonesia. Not South. Indonesia. Should I?
Loh, jamnya nanti salah.
How is it? Saudi Arabia?
Ya, coba ngomong. Tes.
Saudi Arabia.
Gimana?
He's listening. She's listening. Saudi Arabia.
Ah, kan?
I thought that you want to use Saudi Arabia. Is that right?
Yes. Yes.
Your keyboard is set to
Nah, ini
US.
US.
Want to stick with that?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, kamu nunggu itu dulu.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?